So one of the questions I always get asked by service-based businesses is around content development, content strategies. And in fact, we talk about this all the time in our weekly inner circle calls with our clients. And typically the conversation goes, John, I want to create more content, whether that's posting content on LinkedIn, whether it's using it on your Facebook group, sending an email out, looking to create blog content, videos, whatever it is. I'm looking to create something. I want to create something tangible, something of value, something that's going to enhance my brand, but I'm just struggling to come up with those different content ideas. So if you have got that experience, well, then this video is for you. In case we haven't met, my name's John Bellamy. I love working with small service-based businesses, really helping you to develop your better marketing strategy. We overlay marketing, sales, and systems. A lot of what we do is around the AI-related space, ultimately to help you generate more leads, more conversations, more notoriety, and obviously more money. So let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the ChatGPT screen right here, right now. And what I wanted to run through here is, like in these videos, is just give you the value, right? And if you'd like to get a copy of this as well with the supporting documents, just message me, we'll send that over. So what I've done is I've created a command here. I'm actually going to hit send on here, and then we'll go through the command. So I've just gone, in a minute, I'm going to ask you to act as my social media manager. You'll be acting for my company, and I would like you to help me in creating a content strategy that I can utilize to promote my thing. So in this case, my group coaching program, Link Authority Inner Circle. As always, I want you to refer to my ideal client persona along with our tone of voice, right? So if you haven't got those things ready yet, that's cool. We can help you do that. For the content strategy, just come up with a list of content ideas, right? I just want you to start with a list, right? Primarily, I like to use video content, Exhibit A, so that we can turn that into a blog and some social media posts and images later down the track. Knowing this, can you come up with a month's worth of content ideas, 3 content pieces a week ideally, and can you provide this in a table format, right? So I'm asking for a content idea, the overview, and then come up with 3 talking points, right? And then I've just gone, hey, before you begin, as always, I want to provide you with that buyer persona, right, from that perspective. So ChatGPT is waiting for that. I've just copied it, so let me go and paste that in there, and we will see what happens now. So I've provided it with the buyer persona. It's now loading in there. ChatGPT, like, it's a lot of information. So now it's going to pop through, and it's going to start coming up with these different content ideas for me. So what I want you to see with this, like as this is working in the background, it doesn't need to be that difficult anymore. Like, we can remove all the excuses because we have awesome tools like ChatGPT, like Google's Bard, and other AI resources out there to just help us with these basic and simple strategies, right? So you can see here, like, we've come up with a whole bunch of different ideas. Let's just walk through a couple of these right now. The CRM revolution, okay, because we talk about CRM particularly, we use Keep and High Level and those ones there. So exploring the transformative power of CRM systems for small businesses, and then it's given us those talking points. Number 1, how CRM can be a game changer for your small business, simple steps to implement and a CRM effectively, real-life success stories of CRM adoption. So it's great. I know instantly in my mind that I can come up with some great content around that. If we scroll down further, let's pick one here randomly. The future of small business marketing, exploring emerging trends in marketing for small business. We could talk about the emerging trends of AI and how it's going to help from that perspective, and then the upcoming trends in digital marketing, preparing for future marketing, and adapting for changes of consumer behavior. Guys, you can see how fantastic this is. So if you, once again, if you ever get stuck, okay, for coming up with content ideas, you can simply go and utilize tools such as what we've got here, ChatGPT, right? And actually prompt it. Now, the most important thing is in the ability of the prompt. If you provide it with a terrible prompt, you're going to get a terrible response. If you provide it with a quality prompt, just like the one I've showed you here, then you're going to be able to do that. So guys, I'm going to leave it there for right now. If you would like a copy of these prompts, if you'd like a copy of any other video content or anything like that, just message me. I'm sure there's a button on screen there. Follow me, whatever you want to do, and I'd be happy to share it with you. John Bellamy here. Have a great day.